Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve 4xe in Hydro Blue. With night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, heads-up display, 21-inch aluminum wheels, trailer tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7308.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.